Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Hasin Ahmed and you are watching Chemistry with Dr. Yousafzai YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Bergman Cyclization reaction. In this cyclization reaction, en-diyne, if we talk about substrate, this is the substrate for Bergman Cyclization reaction. Here it is one alkyne functionality and here it is second alkyne functionality. So en-diyne, when cyclize or cyclomerize in the presence of heat or light, so it is then converted into arene. Such type of substituted benzene or arene rings. So it follows radical chemistry. How this reaction follows the radical chemistry, we will discuss it in the reaction mechanism. So let's have a look to the reaction mechanism for Bergman cyclization reaction. If we talk about the reaction mechanism for this reaction, so here it is R1 alkyne functionality, let's suppose R1, R2, and here it is alkene. So when the reaction takes place in the presence of heat or light, so one of the pi bond, let's suppose this pi bond, in the presence of heat or light homolytically cleaved. So when this triple bond homolytically cleaved, so what will be the intermediate for this one radical and the second radical? Now what will happen? So this terminal radical, it will interact with another pi bond and this electron will move here. Radical and here radical intermediate R1 and R2. So as a result of this cyclomerization reaction, it produces this intermediate. And if we talk about the reaction mixture, in reaction mixture this diene is also used. Why this diene is used in this reaction mixture? It is used as a proton source. So it will provide hydrogen atom, hydrogen source. So through this hydrogen atom transfer reaction, so in the next step hydrogen atom transfer reaction will take place and one of the hydrogen atom from this diene will be provided to one of the carbon atom and another hydrogen atom will be transferred to another carbon atom. So as a result, let's suppose one of the hydrogen, let's suppose this hydrogen atom, so this hydrogen atom will be attached at this position and from here one of the hydrogen atom will be attached to this carbon position. So the bond will be homolytically cleaved, so one of the electron will move here and another electron will be moved here. So as a result of this transfer of hydrogen atom HAT reaction, so it will be like this final product, hydrogen atom from diene and here hydrogen atom from diene, and then this and the driving force for this hydrogen atom transfer reaction is it is converted into benzene ring, which is aromatic compound. So the aromaticity for this hydrogen transfer reaction is the facilitating, which facilitate this type of hydrogen transfer reaction. So this arene is obtained from the starting material and benzene is also produced as a byproduct of which is formed from this diene due to the transfer of hydrogen atom. So this is the final product of Bergman cyclization reaction. Let's have a look to the example for such type of reaction, that how such type of cyclization takes place by using this type of substrate. So as we already talked about that for this type of cyclization reaction, en-diyne is the starting material. So if we look at the starting material, one di one alkyne functionality and another alkyne functionality, so it is also diene, and alkene is also present. So en-diyne is the substrate for this type of reaction. So when cyclization reaction takes place in the presence of heat, so it is converted into this arene, substituted arene. And if we talk about another example, example 2, here it is also en-diyne, and this reaction takes place in the presence of light. The first reaction takes place by providing heat, and this one is by providing light. So what will happen in this UV light or any type of light which is used for such type of reaction to carry out this reaction? So it will be cyclized, as we already talked about in the reaction mechanism, that one of the pi bond of alkyne functionality is homolytically cleaved, which is then uh, followed by cyclization reaction to form substituted arene, which is the final product of such type of cyclization reaction. I hope you learn this type of cyclization reaction, and if you have any type of question regarding such type of reaction, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. The Allah Paman.